Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is where yesterday's video left off, where I was on this beautiful lay-by. We're going to get the shots here, and then tomorrow I'll get some more photos in a different location. But for now, let's get into it. Roxanne's going to be here getting some videos and photos. It's going to be difficult to record a vlog because she's going to be using this, but I'll show you the clips and talk about it once we've got them and see how it goes. I'm also going to get a nice photo here as well because, well, it looks nice. Okay, so we've done the passes up and down the road on the two roads, and then also I used the suction cups on the side of the car to get the video that's currently playing over me talking. I found this really cute, lovely off-ramp where they obviously store some log, timber. I'm going to get a couple of photos here because it's super like crazy. Like if you look up here, this doesn't give it scale, but it's just trees upon trees, but over towering us. And then you've got this cute little stream here. I'm not sure how I can utilize that, but maybe I can park the car somewhere there and get it involved. It's gonna look cool. So I'm gonna get that in a minute. The way that I mounted the suction cups, I used 3 suction cups to make sure that the camera was secured in 3 locations. One on the top, one on the bottom, one on the side. That way that if something failed, at least there was another 2, and if 2 failed, which would be crazy, at least there's another one holding it on. It might not be the perfect setup, but it worked totally fine. Let's get some photos here and see how it looks. Right, I just got a couple from the front end, but I'm gonna get one at the back end. Oh, look at this. I absolutely adore my life. Yeah. Look at this. Look at that. Ah, well, you know. I'm so happy. Yeah, I know I've worked hard to be where I am, but fuck me, this is insane. I'm gonna pop you guys down just while so I can focus, because I am working, so you guys are just here as like fly on the wall, essentially. Which is the aim of the game really for these vlogs. It's just so I can bring you guys along and you can see what is possible. I know I've probably said that 1,000 times, and I know that you're probably sick of me saying it. And I'm not gloating, it's just fucking insane how far I've come since I started this journey back in 2015. And sometimes you just have to take a second and go, well, fuck me, that's cool. I want to somehow use the river, so that's not a bad photo, but is there anywhere I can get down into the river? It does look a bit sketch, and I don't want to die. Doesn't look the safest, but I think the other sign is going to be the option. Oh, but that looks nice from up here. Right. I think the other side is going to be the best option to get down by the water to get the photo, but it still looks sketchy, but hey ho, here we are. I guess, oh, that's a bit loose. Send it. Oh God, okay, I'm down. Oh, but so worth it. I don't recommend you do this because this is a river, and well, I'm in the mountains, and you never know when it's going to start getting more intense. So I'm going to pop you guys down so I can work quickly. If you don't have any waterproof boots, I highly recommend you get some, because otherwise you'll end up with some wet feet. All right, this kind of works. I'm sorry it's not the best angle, but got to work with what I got. Basically, I'm going to be like straddling the river, like so. And then I'm going to get as low as I can to get the perspective. Oh, this is difficult, man. Oh my God. Oh, that's difficult. But that looks really sick. Oh. Okay, insane. Sometimes you have to risk it for a biscuit, but I'm gonna say, don't try this at home, because it's better to be safe than sorry. Just this with the green background. Orange is such a good color. Bentley, thank you so much for making the orange available, because it's such a beautiful color. Oh, so good. Pop you there for a second. Essentially, this is just me just leaving you guys on the floor in various locations. So, sorry. Oh, nice detailed shot of the rear. That's a funny sentence. Let's get one in landscape. Always remember, whenever you're taking photos, whether that's portrait, landscape, whatever photos you're doing, wherever you're doing it, make sure you're getting portrait and landscape. So both, bit of both, because then you have both versions. Also, Roxanne's been hiding out like this, so she's not in the way. So if ever you've seen any of my car photography photos in the past, just know that Roxanne is crouching in the passenger seat somewhere. My main goal throughout this trip was to extract as much as I possibly can in terms of photography and videography from the time that I had with the car. So every moment that I could potentially get a photo or a video or some audio or something of the car in the location of what I was doing is what I did. Today, in today's video, is just that. I arrived in Brixton, which was it's a bit north of Bolzano, where we were staying. We were staying in Brixton, and I thought I could just relax. A lot of people would just relax that day, get there, have some food, you know, chill out in the area, whatever. We did all that. I washed the car, but instead I was like, I want to go out and capture whatever I possibly can in this location, so that when I go off in the coming days into the mountains more to get some more snowy stuff, then I'm already satisfied that I have something, and it gives me a good baseline to work off when I'm in these situations. It's almost like a test run. So whenever I arrive somewhere, I have these types of test runs that allows me to have confidence in what I'm just about to shoot. If you don't do that, I think you should, because it gives you that stability and motivation for what you're just about to do. With all that being said, let's stick around for tomorrow's video, because that's exactly what we're going to do. Shoot some incredible, beautiful locations. Subscribe, notification bell so you get notified when that does go live. Create more, stress less, and I'll see you tomorrow.